Hey, what's up, guys? So I needed to do this video testimonial for Chad. Here's the reason why. He's built a platform, okay, that has absolutely changed the game for my business. Basically, we're able to funnel, okay, all of our clients into one specific dashboard, which is, it's absolutely crazy, guys. I can hardly put it into words, so let me try. Okay, so they funnel into one dashboard. You don't have to worry about reporting because they can look into this dashboard 24/7. Look, without getting into all the details, because you should just at least go look at it, okay? Don't even, just go look at it, because what you're gonna realize is this is gonna simplify your process with clients to such an extent, you're almost gonna feel like you're not doing anything, which was a really weird feeling for me. So anyway, guys, if you're on the fence, my name is Rob Quinn. If you're on the fence, we have, gosh, a couple hundred clients getting moved over to that, and honestly, the process is so simple, it's silly. And you will feel like you're not doing anything. And I think that was ironically, that was like the hardest obstacle to overcome, was to feel like you're not doing anything, when in reality, it's because now you have an entire team behind you with this dashboard. It's just such a sophisticated process. I cannot believe that it is in existence. It's amazing. So if you're on the fence, you haven't checked it out yet, go check it out. See the other details in the program. I can tell you right now from somebody that was moving over a little over a few hundred agencies, or agency, a few hundred clients. This is absolutely something that you need to incorporate in your business if you're trying to scale fast. And if that's what you want to do, then do not even think twice. Go check it out. And I'm really, really excited for you guys. I'm really excited, so check it out.